Hi bloomies! So why do I look like this today? So the reason why is because we're going to be doing a skincare routine. It's going to be a daytime to a nighttime routine. The only difference with daytime and nighttime is that in the daytime I use sunscreen, and that's honestly the only difference. Everything is going to be the same, but I'm going to show you guys all the affordabilities from beginner friendly to high end, and we'll go from there. So let's get straight to it. One, don't forget to cleanse your face. I know it sounds self-explanatory, but believe it or not, there's so many people on TikTok and Instagram. I got flamed on because I forgot to add the part where I said cleanse your face before applying any of these products. You never know who doesn't know, so I'm going to just put this out there. Don't forget to cleanse your face, okay? So the cleansers that I use honestly with cleansers, I don't really care much for it. The only thing that I don't like with cleansers, I make sure to try it out, and if it makes my face feels like it's tugging after you wash your face. That is the one thing that I don't like. Bad cleansers, they do that. They tug on your face and they make it feel even drier. Feels like it's pulling on it and it's feeling so tight. That is a bad cleanser. So here's two cleansers. I use this one. This is the Innisfree cleanser, the hydrating cleansing foam with green tea, and this one is a very beginner friendly and affordable cleanser that you can use like as a beginner starting out with skincare. I use this every day in the shower. I have this one in the shower and I have this one in the sink. So this is when I take off my makeup, and this is like when I'm in the shower and I want to cleanse my face too. This one is the Pore Rest BHA Blackhead Clearing Chumiso Cleanser. Super gentle, does not tug on your face. So I really like that too. So after we cleanse our face, we need to use toner. Toner, you can use it even if you don't put makeup on. I always tell everybody who's saying that they want to get into skincare, you cannot forget toner. So toner is split very 50-50 because there's 50% of people saying they don't know what it does for them, they don't really see any effects with it, or there's the other 50% who say they cannot live without toner, and that's me. I cannot live without toner, and I tell you because especially for people who put makeup on, after you cleanse your face, that's not it. You don't see remaining product on your face. Believe it or not, if you do have makeup on and you wash your face with a cleanser, I want you to get a cotton pad, a wet cotton pad, wet a cotton pad and just put it on your face and just glide it over. You will see that there's still leftover makeup, and what toner does is it gets rid of all of that. So it gets rid of all the remaining stuff on your face that you can't see with your own eyes. And this isn't just for people who put makeup on. You can also use this for people who have enlarged pores or blackheads also. Anything. It works for everybody and it helps balance your skin. I've got two toners here. This is my holy grail, my favorite thing in the world. I've tried so many toners, but this is so good. It's the Aqua 5.5 PHA toner. Honestly, if you could get your hands on this, this is a must-have, but it's pretty pricey. I think it's like $20. So we're gonna go on with an affordable one, especially for you beginners and you guys want to just, you know, start out with not a heavy budget. This really, look how much I used. I was using this until I discovered this. So this is also just as high tier as this. This is the 평양율, and this is their Cica toner, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, this, it's so affordable. This entire line, you're gonna see a cream from here too. This entire line just calms down your face. It's because it has Cica in there. I honestly don't really know much about Cica. I even don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Whenever I use products with that in it, it always has this very calming effect. If you guys are first starting off, you guys don't know what toner to buy, this is the toner you should try out. And this is not the next step, but I also wanted to recommend to you guys some cotton pads. Cotton pads sound so weird, right? Because just cotton pads, they're all the same thing. It's really not. But these are very specific type of cotton pads. It's not like your standard generic cotton pads. These look like this. So it's super thin. The reason why this is so good is because it can hold so much product onto this without it soaking it in. Majority of cotton pads, when you apply a liquid on it, it'll just soak it up. But these, they hold it. So you're not using double the product. So I realized ever since I used these cotton pads, I always save up on my products. So we're gonna try it out today with my favorite toner. Even this is enough to apply on my entire face. I'm gonna go close up and show you guys how this toner makes my skin look like after. It's actually insane. It's so weird to be this close up to the camera. Man, you guys can't really see a difference on camera because the camera just like blurs everything. But maybe you guys see a little bit of it, but it's just like in person you will see that your face is like glowing. And you see this? There's still product left here. So cotton pads, very important. It doesn't seem like it's anything, but this can do wonders and it goes a very long way. Now in the daytime, if you're doing your skincare routine in the daytime, you want to include sunscreen. I've got two different types here. I've got a stick type and I've also got, this is really dirty because I use this every day, but I also got a liquid type. To me, the main thing that I see in sunblock is, does it make your skin feel greasy after and oily? This is just your standard liquid sunblock. Do you guys call it sunblock or sunscreen? Because I know people call it sunscreen or sunblock. I don't really know the difference. It's probably the same thing, right? Alright, now it just absorbs right in and it does not leave a greasy film on your skin. You can feel it just absorbing and cooling to your skin. There's no grease as you can see, and it's just, you know, your standard everyday, not sticky at all. So, oh boy, I do not like sunblock that is sticky. You know when your hair gets stuck on it and you're just like to get it out of your face? Oh, I really don't like that. And there's this one. This is the Tokobo soft sun stick, and recently I just started using sticks because I also, when I put makeup on, I don't like to have stuff on my fingers. I try to avoid using my fingers because I don't like washing my hands after because I'm lazy. Sun sticks, you can just glide this on. It's also very like, even when you're outside, right, you don't really want to use your dirty fingers to like put it on your face with a liquid one. So that's why I also like using this, because I can just glide it. It's really quick. Now that's for daytime, and if it's not daytime, you don't need to do sunblock because you won't be in the sun. So in the nighttime, you can just skip this part. And now we go on with our ampoules and serums. So we've got this ampoule right here and this serum, and the serums and ampoules the serums and ampoules are basically like a liquid types of skincare products that target specific stuff on your skin. Everybody has a different definition to them, but that's the way that I see it. It's a very thin liquid layer on your skin that really targets the parts that you want. Like this one is for wrinkle care and this is for moisturization. Just putting this on is not going to moisturize your face. You're gonna need to put a cream over it, which I'm gonna show you after. But this is one of my favorite ones, and this is the Medipil 24K Gold Ampoule. And I don't know what it is with products with 24K gold in it, but it always makes my skin feel super moisturized. As you guys go along with your skincare journey, you guys are going to see and realize products that do work for you and don't work for you. So all of these products may work for me, but it may not work for you. So it's all about testing things out. And honestly, your skin will have to sacrifice itself sometimes after, you know, trying a product out and seeing that you broke out from it. Then you know, okay, I'm never gonna use products with that type of ingredients in it. So it's just a learning process. And for me, I realized 24K gold is what works for me. It actually has gold particles in it, as you guys might be able to see on camera. Oh my god, it's just like it's just going down. It's super, you guys see that? Holy, it gives that Korean ajumma. Ajumma is like an old lady, Korean lady. This is my mom's skin. I always say this is how my mom's skin looks like. It's one of my favorite because it feels so cooling on your face without it feeling sticky. And you guys see videos of like skincare gurus putting like products like this. Is honestly for video purposes. You do not need to put your products on like that. If anything, that just like takes really long to apply because it'll drop and it'll become a mess. I just put it on my fingers and apply it. I'm sure that's how they also apply it, but it's just because they're recording a video that they wanted to look aesthetic, so they do it like that. And then the next one is serum. As I said, serum is also something that targets what you want on your skin, and for me it's wrinkles. I want to target wrinkles. So this is a wrinkle care line of Beauty of Chosun, and this is the snail and ginseng serum. So this one is a bit on the thicker side, especially because it has snail serum in there. So anything with snail in it is a very thick, you know, it's very heavy and thick. But when you apply it on your skin, it's not that heavy. Snail, what it does is it gives you elasticity. So when you see a lot of Korean wrinkle care lines and they say snail in it, that's because it gives you elasticity, and elasticity is going to help with, you know, making your wrinkles firm again. People forget this, but your neck is also skin, and your neck will also wrinkle. That's why it's always important, whatever you have remaining, or even not just remaining, but in general, make sure to spread it all the way down to your neck, because you will start getting wrinkles here as you grow older, and you want to prevent that. You really want to take care of your neck too. After we're done with that, we're using our moisturizer, and honestly, that's about it. I don't put like some 10-step skincare routine. I think that's very unnecessary, and it's just very pricey to keep up with. Whoever tells you you need 10 steps of whatever, they're just trying to sell you products. Okay, so this is the cream that I use. Also, this all depends on what you want to target on your skin. If your skin is very sensitive, you want to get rid of redness, that'll be a different type of cream you're going to need to use. You want to target acne, that's a different type of cream you want to use. For me, it's again wrinkles. The cream that I use is the BioHeal lifting cream, and if you guys want to use a more affordable one, again, the Pyongyang, the same brand that I showed you guys a while ago of the Sika moisture cream, and this is super affordable, and this gives you that also calming, soothing feeling on your skin. The reason why I recommend this is because actually I've had like 4 of my friends convert their cream to this, because I had them come over my house and try it. Well, it wasn't even like, hey, try this. It was because we were all putting on makeup on and they didn't have a moisturizer and they wanted to use mine. And you see how compact this is? You can put this in a makeup bag and everything. So I always have this with me, and I said, hey, you can just try my cream. And 4 of my friends, 4 different times, they all said, can you give me some on like a travel size tube? And I would give it to them, and they would go buy it on Amazon themselves because they loved it that much. That is why I recommend it. I'm sure you guys will like it too. If you try it out, let me know how it is on the comments below. So we're gonna go on and use my cream that I use, and it is very, very thick cream. Wrinkle care cream. Usually these are very thick and heavy, and just I apply it everywhere. But this cream I use on the nighttime because it's very, very heavy. I use this one in the daytime before I put on makeup, because if I put makeup on top of this cream, because it's so thick and heavy, it might make my skin feel a bit cakey, even though it doesn't look cakey to me, because there's so much thick layers under it. It makes me feel like I have cakey makeup on. But this one is super lightweight. I'll show you guys right after I apply this on my skin. But do you guys see that glow? It's almost to the point where it looks oily, but it's not. It just looks like that, but it's not. When you on your skin, it doesn't feel like that. All right, so this is I think literally my 3rd bottle of this. It is transparent, almost like liquidy almost, but it's not. It's cream based. It's very matte. Well, I wouldn't say it's matte as in it just absorbs into your skin without it leaving like a glow like this one. This leaves a glow, but this one doesn't. This is just your everyday moisturizer that you can use. I completely forgot about eye cream. I forgot to tell you guys. I use this one every day. This is the Peptide MediHeal Balance Eye Cream. Oh, you guys are gonna see it. I don't know how to explain this. It's like, it feels like a snail on your skin. What do you call this? Like, do you guys see this? It looks like a string cheese. It's so... I don't even know how to explain this. In Korean, it's 쫀득쫀득해. I love this thing. I even recommended this to my mom, and I bought one for her because it's just that good. And it helps with my dark circles, and it helps to keep my eye bags here plump, so it doesn't look like, you know, like it's dead under my eyes. Last thing is using an eye cream after my moisturizer. Do you guys see already a difference in that? A while ago, I had dark circles, and now it's like it's calmed down. I still have it, but it's like, you know, it's not so prominent. And that's honestly about it with my actual skincare products I use. So now I'm going to show you guys a few of my special products I use once a week or once every other day, and I'll let you guys know how many times you guys should use this a week. But first off, we're going to start off with peeling gels. I have 2 right here, and this is also affordable type, which is a tea tree peeling gel. Tea tree is what helps me to maintain my skin without it breaking out. So I don't have skin that breaks out often, but I do have skin that breaks out once in a while, but it's huge cystic acne that hurt just as much as if you were to get acne regularly. It's just a disaster when you get one and you try to pop it. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger. But tea tree is what helps me calm that down no matter what. Tea tree is also what will help you if you do have acne skin on a regular and you're acne prone. This is antibacterial, so it'll help with keeping your skin clean. And this one is the more high-end one, is the Kudal one, is the apple BHA peeling gel. I only got it because it said it was apple, so honestly it's not really worth the money. Any peeling gels are the same, to be honest. It just depends what is their primary. Like this one's tea tree, this one's apple, right? It's just all on your preference. But if you're on a budget, I recommend this one. It does the same exact thing, okay? So don't worry about the quality of it because it'll be the same. All it needs to do is peel your skin, but it's not really like a peeling your skin thing. It's peeling your dead skin. I'll show you right here. Once you start rubbing it around your skin, you will see your dead skin coming off. Oh, do you see that? I'm not sure if you guys see it on camera, but I can feel, oh, it's like coming down like snowflakes. That is gross. If you put it on your face, you will see a lot of it. I'm gonna go more close so you guys can see that. You guys see all those dead skin? And do you guys see how much cleaner my skin looks under it now? For people, first timers who's never ever done this before, you're gonna be very grossed out. It's just, your sink is just gonna be filled with just like dead skin. It's gonna be very, very gross. But after, you're gonna feel so much cleaner and your face is just gonna look a lot brighter. So I recommend this to do once a week at least. I wanted to also show you guys my face masks. These are a few that I like the most. This is my favorite mask, and this is from the I'm From line, and it's the honey mask from I'm From. This is so good, especially if you have dry skin, guys. They have a line that's for acne prone and oily skin people. Their entire products are just all so good. So you guys can check out the oily skin one. I'll put it right here. It's $30, very expensive for a mask, but there's a reason. It's because it's 38.7% real honey. Okay, it smells like honey too. It tells you do not put this in the fridge because it will harden, and if you guys have fruit flies in the house, it will come and try to eat it. I remember I had a fruit fly in the house and I had this on my face, and the fruit fly was just buzzing around my face the whole time because it wanted to eat my face mask. But this is so good. I love this thing so much, but it's pricey, right? And I get it. You guys, want something more affordable. Here we go. This is a tea tree one. This is again another tea tree. This is from the Body Shop. I've tried so many tea tree products, but the Body Shop tea tree is the strongest in my opinion, and it feels the most organic. It's kind of like a clay mask, and this is also perfect for acne prone and dry skin, which is pretty surprising because clay masks are not really for dry skin. It really makes your skin feel a lot drier after, but this one, it doesn't really do that. This also keeps your acne at bay, and it stops from other acnes from forming. And the last thing I wanted to show you guys is a cleansing balm. I know I should have maybe showed you guys this in the way beginning, but the cleansing balm it's a cleanser but in a balm. So it's in a cream. So this is the one I use. This is also from I'm From, and this is the fake cleansing balm, and this one is also a bit pricey. I'm From, everything is pricey only because all their products are actually just have like 38.7% actual honey, and this one has actual fig in there. You guys can even smell the fig. This is the cleansing balm. You guys have seen other ones that's like Clean It Zero from Vanilla Co. There's a whole various products of cleansing balms, and this is just the one that I use. Then again though, like I said, all these cleansing balms all work the same. You guys can get anything else with a different price range and it will do the same thing to you. And what this does is, especially for people who use waterproof makeup, and for me it's waterproof mascara, and cleanser is not gonna just get rid of that. I need some oil based or cleansing based. What this balm does is it's a cream base at first, and when you apply it, it becomes an oil base. So you will need an oil cleanser if you want to get rid of waterproof mascara, waterproof eyeliner, waterproof makeup in general. You're gonna need a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil. So you put the cleansing balm, cleansing oil first, get rid of everything, melt everything off, and then you put a cleanser and you wash your face with a cleanser. So I think that is going to be it for today's video, guys. As I said, you guys don't need to buy every single thing from this video, especially the ones that I said are the special ones that I use once a week. For people who are beginners and are on a budget, you guys only need a cleanser, a toner, sunscreen, and a lotion. Ampoule and serum, if you can put that in there, but if you're really on a budget and it's too tight, you do not need the ampoule and serum. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!